Let's make a fancy gondola boat thing!
First, fold a square piece of paper in half, then unfold. Next, fold it in half by going up the crease. After that, fold all four corners to the center point, like so. Flip the paper over, then fold the paper in half again, then unfold. Now fold the sides to the center. After that, fold the corners to the center, like you're making a paper airplane. Then fold the corners again to the center. Now fold the side points to the center line, like so. Now here is the tricky part. We are going to turn the figure inside out. Open the paper while pushing the middle upwards at the same time. And finished! Our fancy gondola is ready for something. Thanks for watching.